Welcome to Mid-Year Reflection. My name is Danielle Amos, and if you're watching this video, you are curious as to what we're doing in this workshop inside our community. Well, Mid-Year Reflection is a sacred pause. It's a 3-hour transformational workshop that has become a non-negotiable for me. I was taught this practice and ritual by my mentors over 10 years ago. And when I implemented it in my business, I continued to triple my income year after year. It's powerful because it's a pause that allows you to celebrate your success, keeping it top of mind, while reflecting back and gaining the wisdom from those areas of your life and business where it didn't go quite as well as you liked, but there's much wisdom and lessons in it. And that's why the opportunity came to you. So we do this consciously, we reflect consciously. And the truth is, no matter how this year's unfolded for you so far, it's no indication as to what's coming next in your life, in your business. You have the power to completely create from a new space when you close the past, when you complete the past and you move forward in a clean slate. So most people tend to downplay their wins. I'm going to show you the opposite and why it's beneficial to keep your wins top of mind. And saying that, most people create mountains out of molehills. They keep in their mind all the times that they made a mistake, and they're really hard on themselves. With this new ritual of reflection, yeah, you'll address when things didn't go well, but instead you're going to actually learn how to transmute the hard times. You'll gather the wisdom and the lessons and use that to carry it forward. So I'm so excited to welcome you into Mid-Year Reflection. This one practice changed my life and my business, quantum leaping our results year after year. Join us.